then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
Whenever I think about summer, I always think about firing up the grill. I always have a bag of shrimp in my freezer. It's one of my favorite things to have on hand because it defrosts so quickly and you can cook it in no time. I was looking for some inspiration on what to marinate my shrimp with, and I noticed that everything was the same. But I wanted to do something different. Today we're going to switch it up and marinate the shrimp with a peanut sauce. It's super simple. You can make this peanut sauce in under 5 minutes. Marinate the shrimp overnight and have them ready to grill tomorrow. I'm going to start off by showing you guys how to make the peanut sauce. It makes a great dressing or dipping sauce if you want to just keep some on hand. I'm mixing together 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of hoisin, half a cup of chopped peanuts to give it some crunch, 1.5 tablespoons of Ponzu or soy sauce. I'm adding a tablespoon of fish sauce. It adds a really nice umami flavor, but if you want to keep it vegetarian, you can leave it out. And 2 tablespoons of water to thin it out. Mix it all together until it's fully incorporated. And finally, I'm adding the juice of 1 whole lime. This really brightens up the peanut sauce. I've set aside about half a cup of peanut sauce so I can brush the shrimp with it when they come off the grill. Next, I'll show you how to clean and deshell the shrimp. Using a pair of kitchen scissors, I'm starting at the head of the shrimp and cutting along the back towards the tail. This both releases the shell and exposes the vein in the back of the shrimp, making it easier to remove. I always buy my shrimp with the shell on. You can save them in the freezer and use them for sauces, soups, and stock. Just keep the shells in the freezer until you're ready to use them. After I have all the shrimp peeled and deveined, I like to run them under some cold water. Mix all the shrimp together in the peanut sauce so they're thoroughly covered. I had to add a little bit more water to mine because it was a little too thick. Marinate them for at least an hour, but you can go overnight. I recommend grilling the shrimp. That's why I'm putting them on skewers. But if you don't have a grill, you can cook them in the oven or simply saute them. Once they come off the grill, I like to brush them with a little bit more peanut sauce, squeeze some fresh lime juice, and chop cilantro. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can put these shrimp on pretty much anything you like. We really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. Be sure to subscribe for all the latest recipes, tricks, and tips.